Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how you can drive leads, phone call leads from Google Ads. When you want to drive, if you are a local business, you might want to run ads on Google whereby people will call your business directly. Let's use this business. This is a local business here in the UK. They have phone calls. Can you see a phone mobile number on their website? This is also a mobile number here. So they can run ads as a business. You can run ad to this kind of website here, and people will click on this phone number. When they click on this phone number, they will call you directly from Google Ads. So for you to do this, there are two things you need to get right. Can you see this is another call? If you click on this call number, can you see call now? So you can run ads from Google and you direct people to this website. Anytime they click on this call us now, this call now, or this call phone number button on your website, Google is going to record this as a conversion. Google is going to record this as a lead. So it's it's a good strategy for a local business if you are running a local business. So let's say this business offers different services. They offer different services. They offer plumbing, heating, gas, electrics, drainage, and all sorts of stuff. So let's say we want to run traffic, we want to run ads and generate leads for people who are interested in this plumbing service. So let's click on this plumbing service. If you get to this plumbing service, this is the landing page. There's this call button here. There's also this call now button that will make people call them instantly from their website. So let's scroll down again. This is the plumbing landing page. Let's check if we will see a phone number again. So there's no phone number again. So the next thing we need to do is to go to your Google Ads. So let's go. This is my Google Ads account for this tutorial, and I want to show you how you can do it. So the first thing you need to do is to set up phone call conversion tracking. If you want to run this kind of ads that you direct traffic to this landing page and you want people to call you directly from Google and you want to track them as conversion, you need to set up conversion tracking, phone call conversion tracking. That is the first thing you need to do. So let's click on tools and settings. You click on tools and settings, go to conversion, then you click on new conversion. I already have a video on my YouTube channel, which I will link to this video on how you can set up phone call conversion tracking. I'm going to do that, but I'll still show you how you can do it in this video. So I will link that video in this video in particular. I will link that video there in this video. So you have a look at it. So that you'll be able to set up the conversion tracking, because I'm not going to cover that in this video extensively. So let's click on new conversion action. You click on new conversion action and then you select phone calls. So once you select phone calls, you see select the source of the phone calls you would like to track. You can see calls from ads using call out, call extension, or call only, and calls on a phone number on your website. So that is what you select, calls to a phone number on your website. So you see track when someone interacts with your ads and call your business from a number on your website. This option requires Google forwarding numbers, which are only available in certain countries. It is available in the UK. It is available in the US. Most US businesses have consulted for clients in the US that we did this rather. So the next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Once you click on continue, you give your conversion a name. So let's give our conversion phone call. So let's say you give his phone call. I've already covered this in one of my video, which I'm going to attach the video, like as I mentioned earlier. So you leave this goals and action optimization. You leave this as phone call lead. So if you go to value, let's say you click on use same value, you can say every lead on your website is equals to $50, is pertaining to your own business. So then you put your own phone number here. So you put this phone number. Let's say this is our phone number. You put your phone number, your business phone number, you put it here. But you need to take out the first zero in front of it. Take it out. If you are in the US, if you are in the UK, change it to the UK. So just make sure enter the phone number people see currently on your website. That should be replaced by a Google forwarding number. Be sure to enter the correct phone number. Just ensure that you enter your correct business phone number. So any call on your business, any call through this website on your business, so you need to specify that you want Google to record as conversion. You need to specify if it is 120 minutes or 60 seconds, 120 seconds or 60 seconds. Let's leave it at 60 seconds. Then you click on create and continue. Once you click on create and continue, you have different options. You can say you want to install this tag yourself. You can email it to your developer or use Google Tag Manager. Let's say, for instance, you want to say install this tag yourself. Then you see, can you see this is the phone call snippet that will be on your website that will track anytime people click on this phone call, this phone number, and call you directly from Google. So that is the code I want to show you that you need. It is very, very important. I've already covered this, and I'm going to, so can you see, and I'm going to attach the video to this video. The phone call snippet replaces a phone call on your website with a Google forwarding number, so you can so you can see how effectively your ads leads to phone calls from your website. So you can see, copy this snippet below and paste it between the between the opening and the closing of the head tags of the page where your phone calls appears, and right after the Google tag. So just, if you can't do it yourself, give it to your developer. And in most cases, if you can do it yourself, I already have a video on how you can do this. So this is the code you need. This is the two codes you need to get this done. If you are using Google Tag Manager, this is the instructions that you need. Basically, this is the instruction that you need. So let's go back to, so once you set up this conversion tag, you also need, once you set up this conversion tag, let's delete this. Once you set up this conversion tag, the next thing you need to do is to do keyword research. So for you to do keyword research means the keywords you want to rank your business for. Obviously, you know the keywords you want to rank your business for. So for you to do that, go to tools and settings, come to keyword planner. Once you come to keyword planner, you click on discover new keywords. Then you start your keyword research here. So I already created a video on how you can do keyword research with Google Keyword Planner. I'm also going to attach a video of that to this video. So once you are done with all these prerequisites, the next thing you need to do is to now set up the ad, set up the campaign. So how can you set up a campaign whereby people will come to your landing page or your website and call you directly from Google? So what you need to do is to click on new campaign, select new campaign, then you select leads. If the goal of your campaign is obviously a lead, then you use this conversion goal to improve your leads. So we'll select add goal. So the goal of our website is phone call leads. So you select phone call leads. That is the conversion that I've already set up. Then you click on continue. Once you click on continue, you will see select a campaign type. You will see search. So you can also use video for this. You can use other ones for this. You can use shopping. You can use demand gen. So you can use search and video. But for the sake of this tutorial, we are using search. So at this point, you select website visits. Select the ways you want to reach your goal. Obviously, we want people to come to our website, right, to call us. So you direct traffic to this place. There, the next thing you need to do is to give your campaign a name. you give the website that this is the landing page or the website you want to direct traffic to. Then the next thing you need to do is to click on continue. Since we selected website, select start new here. Then what do you want to focus on? Ensure this is conversion. Make sure that you are not selecting clicks, impression here. Make sure this is conversion. If it is conversion, you are good to go. Where you click on next. For me, in most cases, since my campaign is a search campaign, so I want my ads to only appear on search network. So I will turn off display networks. Turn off display network. So let's say I turn off display network. I don't want my ad to show in display network. Come to enter location. Then you can select if you want your ad, if your business is servicing United States of America, put United States. If it's United Kingdom, let's say we are targeting United Kingdom because that business is in United Kingdom. Leave the language the way it is. So audience segment, I don't touch anything here since it is a search ad. So since I'm running in terms of search ad, I don't target people based on interest at this level. So I don't touch audience segments. I turn off broad match keywords. I turn it on. I don't use it. If you are a small business owner, I will encourage you to use broad match keywords when you are running your ad. So automatically created asset, I turn this off also. Then the next thing I touch is more settings. If you go to more settings, you see ad rotations, start date and end date, ad schedule, campaign URL, and brand description. You might want to make adjustment to your start date and end date, your ad schedule. You might want to make adjustment to it. You want to select the times you want your ad to run, basically. That's what that is for. So the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then it will take you to, I don't want AI to do anything for me. So it will take you to, this will automatically generate, since you are popping your website earlier, this will automatically generate keywords for you. And this is where you enter all your keywords. So do your keyword research and enter the keywords you want to target. We are not targeting these keywords here. These are just dummy keywords. If I'm going to run my ad, I'm going to put in the right keyword that I want to target for my business. This is just a suggestion based on the website we entered earlier. So do your keyword research with using Google Keyword Planner and select the keywords, put the right keywords that you want to enter, that you want to rank for, or you want your business to show up for. And if you are a small business, if you are a local business, you don't have a lot of money, use exact match keywords. So let's go on Google and type Google match types. Google match types. So I want to use it to show you. So let's go to keyword match type, Google keyword match type, so that you know the keywords how you can place your keywords. This is the exact match. It is always in one column. It is always in one bracket. Tighten match. Ad may show on searches that are the same meaning as the keyword. So don't use broad match, don't use phrase match if you don't have a lot of money as a business. Use exact match with this open bracket and close bracket. That's what you need to do. So the next thing we'll cover here. So once you make sure all your keywords has that exact match in front of them, this is how exact match looks like. Can you see? This is how it looks like. That's it. So these are all dummy keywords. Ensure you do your own keyword research and put in the right keywords and make sure it is in exact match like this, exact match. So once you are satisfied with this, you come to your URL, put the final URL here. Once you put the final URL, you come to phone call. This is where you add the phone number that you want people to call. So because you selected phone call as the campaign goal, add a call asset that to use with it your ad. Since we have set up a conversion tracking earlier that I showed you that you need to set up, which is one of the prerequisites for you to run this successful campaign, I already have a phone call conversion tracking that is set up on my own Google Ads account. I'm just going to click on this, then I will select it. So this is it here. I'll just select it, then I'll click on apply. So this is what we make people call your, this is what we make, can you see the way it is? This, can you see, call. And this is what will make people land on your website. Once they land on your website, they will call your business instantly. So at this point, you need to put in your headlines, to define your ads, put in your description here, add description, put in images. You might want to put in images for your campaign. It is a search ad, it doesn't need image. So you might want to use site links extension, like all these electrical. So this is suggested site links that they are giving you. You need site links. Site links are all these, maybe you want to run ads to, you want to give them option of, if they need service like electrical service, you can select this. You can also say leak, we cover areas, we cover. You can also do this. Google is already suggesting this to you. You can also use this leak detection and click on create. Then you click on save here. So make sure when you are running all these kind of Google ads, let's open this up. So with what we have now, we are having 72% conversion. Weekly we'll be spending $267, and we'll be getting 20 phone calls as conversion in a week. So they are saying, so that's what Google is telling me. So all I will do, this is very, very important to affect your ad strength. Your ad strength should be within good and excellent. Don't leave your ad strength to be poor. Your ad will not show up. So, and how can you do that? Put in the right keywords within your headline. Put in your use good headlines, and also use good description. Make sure that once you set up your description and your headline, make sure it is within good. This your ad strength is good and or excellent. Don't leave it as poor. If your ad strength is poor, it will not be able to compete against your other competitors. So if you come to more asset types, you can play around structure snippets. You can do call out extensions. You can do call out extension. If you come to call out extensions here, you can create call out extension. This call out extension is just something around you saying 100% satisfaction, or you just teasing people, saying 100% satisfaction from your service. That's call out extension. You can also come to this place and say structured snippets. This is not needed though. So just ensure that your ad is punchy and is good to go, and your ad strength is 100, is within good or excellent. For me, I play around good or excellent. Let your ad strength be around good or excellent. So let's look at these view headline ideas, for instance. Maybe, so let's say plumbing services. Let's look at great service. Let's look at award-winning service. So let's go to include popular keyword. Let's include find a plumber. Let's say let's use find a plumber. So you can just, this is very, very important for your ad to show up in search. Find a plumber. So you should discover this now. So let's say what water plumbing. If let's say let's go to plumbing work. let's say plumbing work, plumbing work, and let's say plumbers London, or let's say plumbers London. We can play around the location also. So if this is okay with us, let's use this. So let's go to make headline unique. Let's use this. So just use the right headline. So let's go to include popular keywords. So they want us to include all these keywords, but water plumbing. So let me look at water plumbing. Uh, if the business is offering, let's say water softener. So you just need to play around all this and ensure they are relevant. Then plumbing issues. And you can also use no hot water. You need to ensure that all these are relevant to your business. So once you do this, can you see that our add strength is now within good? We can go to look at your description. These are things people will read and they want it to be relevant to your business. You need to make it relevant to your business. Can you see that our optimization has increased to 63%? So let's go to make description. So they don't have any description suggestion for us right now. None is available. So this is actually good. If your strength is within good and excellent, it's a good deal. So once you are satisfied with all this, the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then you set your daily budget. So let me cancel. This is telling me to confirm. This is telling me to confirm. This is telling me to confirm. So let me confirm. Yes, it's me. Then this is good to go. So if your daily budget, set your daily budget yourself. Come to set custom budget. If your budget is $10 daily, for me, I usually start with a low budget. So can you see that it has reduced to 26 conversion daily now? So I usually you should be able to set your own budget. So this recommended budget by Google does not work, or else you have money to spend. So the next thing you need to do is to click on next. Then you publish your campaign. Can you see they are checking your campaign is almost ready to publish? So let's wait for it to check the error. Then you publish your campaign. So let's wait for it to check all the errors. I believe there's no errors in this ad setup. I believe that so well. So let's wait for it to check. After this, I will just click on publish. Your campaign is almost ready to publish. Once they check all the errors there and there's no errors, the next thing you need to do is to just click on publish and you publish your ad. First thing first, one of the major prerequisites to set up this kind of campaign is you setting up a phone call list on your website. You set up a phone call list on your website. You can send the instruction to your web developer, or if you are good at using Google Tag Manager, you can use Google Tag Manager to set up a phone call list on your website. Once you do that, can you see your campaign is almost ready to publish? The next thing you will do here is to just click on publish campaign. Another prerequisite that you need to set up this campaign successfully is for you to do keyword research. And when you are using your keywords, use exact match. How can you do keyword research? you can use the Google Keyword Planner to do keyword research. If you need to watch a video on that, I already have a video on this channel on that. I will attach it to this video. Thank you for watching this video. I'm going to see you in my next video. If you are here to subscribe to my YouTube channel, I will encourage you to do that right away. Thank you.